Welcome to this video. So let's say we have a web page on our Chrome browser and we need to change the whole web page theme color, and you can see here this is the orange color on our website. The whole page is completely orange, so let's change the whole color on this website. So first of all, we need to go our Chrome extension, and I have pinned up this extension, so click on it, and now we need to paste the original color of this website. So I am pasting the original color, and you can see the orange color is here and the original color is completely replaced. So right now we need to paste the new color which we want to give on this web page. So I'm giving this web page color orange to blue, and then click on save, and this will say color saved, refresh the page to apply change. So okay, and refresh, and now you can see all of the color and image color. You can see here color has been changed and all the color is completely changed. So in this way you can change the theme color of any kind of website. You can see here about us page. So thank you for clicking on this video.